Right. Today concept name is listener class. Listener. Very, very important concept. That is the listener class. Listener. 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 It is a predefined class in Java. Just simply we can say first listener class is nothing but it is a one of the concept provided by Selenium Webdriver and listener class also it is a predefined class in Java. So as well as listener having some predefined classes. Listener having some predefined classes. Whenever using these classes, automatically it can perform the operations. Automatically it can perform the automatically it can perform the operations. Automatically it can perform the operations. Listener is the one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver. Listener having some predefined classes. Whenever using these classes, automatically it can perform the operations. Like navigate to. So in the place of get place, we can use navigate to. In the place of get, every time we are writing wd.get. So in the place of get, we can use another method that is navigate to. Navigate back. Navigate forward. So these are the predefined classes. Listener is the one of the concept provided by Selenium WebDriver. Listener having some predefined classes. Whenever using these classes, automatically it can perform the operations like navigate to, navigate back, navigate forward. We have thousands of classes. So how to see the all the classes? Just go to Google. Just download Selenium. Just click on first link. Just click on Java DOC. This is the click on Java DOC. Here we can get one option that is abstract WebDriver event listener. We have some number of classes. Just click on that. We can get number of classes like after alert accept. So we can say class or method. We can say class or method. Here we have number of methods. After alert accept WebDriver space driver. That is the description. Each and every method having own description. So whenever you are writing that method compulsory, we should mention the description also. After alert accept WebDriver space driver. After alert to dismiss WebDriver space driver. After change value of web element space element comma WebDriver space driver comma java.long. So like we can write the method name as well as description also we should write. After click on web element space element WebDriver space driver. So like each and every method having own description we should mention whenever writing the any method compulsory we should mention the description also. So here we have thousands of methods and thousands of descriptions. No need to remember all those things. Whenever you are working with any software company, that company people will be give you web application access. That time we can copy and paste all the methods and the descriptions. No need to remember all those things. So if you want to remember this type of method, so it is very difficult. So just whenever you are working with any method, like if you want one method, so just we can use copy and we can paste. Right. No need to remember. So I want to use some methods. After navigate back, I want to use. So come to Eclipse, go to SRC, take the new class. Class name is listener, Listener, Listener. Listener. Only I am taking one class, listener class I am taking. Here I am writing function. Public void control V. So each and every method we should write own logic. SYSO control space. So here I am writing function body. Akhil, you said, Akhil, you said come back. Next I am writing another function. Control V. SYSO control space. Akhil, you said go forward. Webdriver. Right. I wrote two methods with descriptions. Like we can say simply it is a function. I wrote two functions. Here one concept. First question. So actually these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. These methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to apply to listener. How we can apply? Actually these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to apply to listener. How we can apply? How we can apply? Actually these methods are belongs to abstract WebDriver event listener methods. I want to apply to listener. How we can apply?
Extends Akhil extends implements uses
Yes,
Mada.
yes, right. So inheritance concept. First concept inheritance. So listener extends abstract abstract WebDriver abstract WebDriver event listener. 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 So A extends B means B properties will come to A. So abstract WebDriver event listener. Okay, leave it. We wrote two functions. Save it. I'm going to another, I'm taking another class, go to SRC, take the new class name is something, listener, some X, keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. I want to call that function. So first we need to create the WebDriver reference, WebDriver WD equal to new Firefox driver, WebDriver W equal new Firefox driver, WD dot, no, WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver. This line we learn from interface and overriding concept. Interface name reference name equal to new class name. This line we learn from interface and overriding
Inter.
concept. Next,
Okay.
event firing WebDriver EFWD equal to new event firing WebDriver WD. Event firing WebDriver EFWD equal new event firing WebDriver WD. So this line we learned from Java. Which concept? That is dynamic only file system concept. File writer FW equal new file writer, buffer writer BW equal new buffer writer FW. Only if you use file writer, we can't write the data into the file system. Compulsory, we should take the reference from buffer writer. Then only we can able to write the data into the file system. So that's the reason here we are writing WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver event firing WebDriver EFWD equal new event firing WebDriver WD. So next line I am writing listener 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 L equal to new listener. Why I am writing listener L equal to new listener?
దాని రిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని మనం ఈ క్లాస్లో ఆ మెథడ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. వెబ్
No.
స్టాక్ వెబ్
Yes,
డ్రైవర్ ఈవెంట్
actually I
మెథడ్.
have taken non-static functions. So if you want to call the non-static function from another class or same class, we should create the object. How to create the object? Class name, reference name equal new class name. Previous class name listener, L equal new listener. EF, EF dot listener L.
రిజిస్టర్ అంటే
So now I'm registering into EFWD. So event firing WebDriver is a event support method. So if you want to use listener class methods, compulsory we should take the reference from event firing WebDriver reference. So EFWD dot register L I'm writing.
ఇప్పుడు లిజనర్ ఆఫ్ బ్రాకెట్ లో EFWD రాసుకోవడానికి రాదు అట్లా.
No. EFWD dot register L. L is nothing but listener. EFWD nothing but event firing WebDriver. EFWD dot navigate to. So we can use in the place of get method, we can use this method navigate to. So I'm giving HTTP google.com. EFWD dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot click. Import the statements WebDriver, Firefox driver, event firing WebDriver, thread dot sleep, add throws declaration. Go and give the Gmail xpath. Go to Google first. Just give the Gmail xpath. Save. Click on run. First, it will go to Google. Next, it will go to Gmail. Next, navigate back. That means it will come to Google. 2 seconds wait, and it will back. It will go to Gmail. Save. Click on run. This is the concept listener class. Only for this concept we learn Java. Otherwise, no need of first Google. It will go to Gmail. Once again, it will come to Google and it will go to Gmail. So, whenever using these methods, automatically it can perform the operations.
ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ అఖిల్, చాలా యూజ్ చేస్తాం అయితే ఎక్కువ.
Yeah, no using, but only for this concept only. Up to now, so we didn't use any Java knowledge. So without knowing any Java, directly we can work with Selenium very comfortably. But here we learned all the concepts in Java. So that is the only for logic.
నాకు
Sometimes
తెలిసి
we can
ఇది
use or not,
లేక-
we can't say.
ఈవెన్ నీ లేకపోయినా కూడా నాకు తెలిసి ఏం పెద్ద
N-
ప్రాబ్లం ఏం కాదు.
no, no, no. But see, if you want proof, that time we can use this listener class. If you want
అదే
proof,
అదే క్లిక్ చేసి ప్రూఫ్ కావాలంటే
so
ఆ
if you
రిజల్ట్
want
కరెక్ట్
proof,
ఉందా.
if you want proof, that time you can use this concept. Otherwise, no need of listener concept. I'm deleting listener. I don't have any listener. I don't know any listener concepts. So,
అంటే ఈ ప్లేసెస్ లో మనకు ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ కానీ అసెట్ మెథడ్స్ కానీ అట్లా చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే.
yes, we can use. But so, if you want proof, that time we
ఎందుకంటే
will
ఇది
use
కొంచెం
listener. Otherwise, so simple, we can write webdriver wd equal new firefox driver wd.get http google.com. I'm going to Gmail, come back, go forward. So here
ఇంటర్వ్యూస్
we will not
అడుగుతారా
get
అఖిల్
any
ఇది?
proof.
ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో అడుగుతారా?
They may ask you, we can't say.
మ్మ్. అంటే ఇది అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే చాలా పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి.
So here without listener also we can do it. Without listener also we can do it. So simply normal, we are going to Google and we are giving Gmail XPath and it will come back and it will go. Manually we need to see. So if it is listener, so no need to see manually. Automatically we can get the proofs.
మ్మ్.
Right. Next concept, mouse movements.
ఇది
Mouse.
అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా అఖిల్.
Which one?
మౌస్ మూమెంట్స్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటా.
No, 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 no. This is the listener class. So without listener also we can apply this concept. No need of this listener class. Okay. Next concept name is mouse movements. What is mouse movements? I
ఇప్పుడు
will.
నావిగేట్ అని నార్మల్ గా నావిగేట్ గో ఫార్వర్డ్ ఇవి నార్మల్ గా కూడా యూజ్
Yeah,
చేసుకోవచ్చు
we
కదా
can
మనం.
use it. We can use it.
మ్మ్.
Naukri.com. For example, I'm going to Naukri. And scroll down. So this is a very big page. So I'm scroll downing. So I'm taking the XPath for jobs for you. For you XPath I'm taking. Jobs for you XPath I'm taking. Copy. Come to here. Control V. So if I click job for you, you can get to one option like to one add to cart 2150 something window is coming. When I'm clicking, so after opening my site, I'm scroll downing and I'm giving last XPath of the web element. Okay. If I click run now, it will not move mouse. So it will not scroll down, but automatically output will come. So in that situation, we can use this listener class methods or listener class classes or listener class functions. So here directly we can get the output. It is clicked or not, we can't say. So see here in that application, in the Naukri page, we have thousands of XPaths. So each and every link or word it is a web element. It will treat as a web element. Why? Because all are web elements. But output will come. So within fraction of seconds, it will check. Why? Because XPath is nothing but it is a unique location. So automatically go. See, it will not scroll down, but output will come. So in that situation, we will use this listener class. This is the concept of mouse movements. Without using mouse, so automatically we can. So whenever you are doing that operation, compulsory we should use mouse. So without mouse, we can't do it. But using Selenium, that mouse movement also it will do. So output is came. So this output is, if you want proof, so without watching manually or seeing manually, so if you want proof, that time we can use this listener class methods. So these are the advanced concept in Selenium WebDriver framework.
ఏం స్క్రిప్ట్ ఏం లేదు కదా మెథడ్ కానీ అట్లా ఏం అవసరం లేదా
No
మౌస్
need.
మూమెంట్
So just mouse movement.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లిజనర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అది ఓకే ఓకే
Here only listener mouse movements means just without using mouse we can do that action through Selenium WebDriver. So that's the reason we are calling it is a mouse movement. So this is the concept. So advanced concepts over, Selenium framework also over. Only we have two concepts pending. One is Selenium lifecycle, other one is Selenium IDE.
యూజర్ డిఫైన్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ ఏమని చెప్తారా?
Yes, in the Selenium lifecycle only.